December always feels like a magical month for me, not just because of the holidays during the month, but also because it's my birthday month. Every year, I feel like December is the month I gain the most clarity on things I've been struggling with during the whole year leading up to my birthday. This year, I turned 25, and I guess that means my frontal lobe is supposed to be fully developed now. I wanted to take some time to reflect and talk about one of the biggest lessons I've learned leading up to me being 25. And that is that I cannot give up on myself. Throughout life, there has been so many times I have heard people talk about the importance of faith and believing in yourself, but still doing that hard work alongside the faith. I think before it used to pass over me and I never really quite grasped what they were talking about. But as of recent, I truly understand more of why having that faith is so important for you to succeed in the life you want. There's so many days you can go through where you may not feel like pursuing your dream and doing the things you know are necessary to get there. I was dealing with that myself lately when I was making this holiday collection. Self-doubt has been a real struggle for me for a while, but the main thing that got me through finishing that collection was having faith in myself that something will come out of this. I'm tired of going through the same cycle with myself where I don't carry that same faith in my lower moments, and I want that to change. YouTube has been a big goal of mine for as long as I can remember, but my faith has always been a bit slippery with that dream. As of 2025, actually scrap that. As of today, right now, I want to make that change in myself and do everything I possibly can to make that dream become a reality. I want to consistently practice my faith in myself and trusting in myself more, knowing that all the hard work I do will pay off. In 2025, I want to be closer to the woman I have dreamed of being, and I know I am starting to get there because I'm slowly starting to see pieces of her in myself more each and every day. My inner child deserves to see herself live that life that she could only imagine, and I intend to achieve that for younger Bria. If you have a dream that you've been too scared on pursuing, this is your sign to do what it takes to get it done. Even if it's baby steps, keep moving forward and know that God will help you with the rest. By the end of next year, we want at least one of our big goals to be completed. So if you decide to take this challenge with me, comment "I'm making it happen" down in the comments. And if you're open to it, share with us what your one goal is. Oh my gosh. You guys don't understand. So much went to this collection. Like, I knew that was gonna happen. You didn't just go up there, bro. Okay, guys, we're in Atlanta. I'm with my mom. Let me mute this because we don't want to get copyrighted. Okay, I'm with my mom. It's a girls' trip, and I'm getting ready right now. We're about to go meet my friend to have dinner, so I'm about to just do my hair. I had this cute shirt that I was trying to wear, but I honestly might wear something else instead because, bro, the buttons on it, literally the part that's it's supposed to connect to, they're all like off, like on the same side. I don't know how they got broken, but bro, this top was low-key not worth the amount I paid. But yeah, I'm going to do my hair and show you guys the full look, and then we're gonna go.
Happy birthday.
Thank you. Today is the fashion show, and I'm in my whole boss outfit. Just kidding. It's raining, which is why I'm wearing this scarf, but please focus. Focus on me. Okay, there we go. It's okay. Yeah. I'm running late, so I will see you guys soon.
because I look out for myself. I've been happy, working hard, so I won't have to cry when I'm older. I could've done this or that. I remember when I used to. Don't do it 'cause it doesn't work. I'd rather tell her, shoot your shots. I did it, so I know you got this. We're all living one manifest. You'll get your dreams, just do your best. So don't you tell me I am helpless just because I'm searching for myself. I've been happy, working hard, just so I can say I told you so. I told you so.
Happy birthday to you.
I don't need your approval to be myself. I got that on myself. Gracefully, gotta keep it cozy. I'ma take it slowly, one step at a time till my time.